so already. Saltfish and roast yam. That's saltfish, you know?
She have this up there.
What?
Roast
I prefer roast saltfish. Yeah.
What's the cost?
Then that's so nice when it hot. Huh? So now no aki. Well yeah, me rather that. Me rather that to the yam. Man. Aki more. One a each. One a each. One a each. One a each. Yeah, me not no problem. That I mean, that I reason. So one a each. One a each.
You want anyway? Roast saltfish you want? Roast saltfish you want? Yeah, burn it, yeah. Yeah, burn it. Yeah, I roast saltfish you look for, man. Yeah. You want a long time, no? I know. But like my friend not coming, every time they come in my bed. You know, for like I'll tell you to lady. So I saw him girl all in her bed. You know, bed yet, so. When they fell, yeah, what? Whose breadfruit is that? Or you doing somebody else? Them, you know what, the yam? You want yam too?
No, me work.
No, we're gonna have that. You want more yam?
No, no.
Oh. I'm not burning sausage. Please and thanks. You have it already. And you wash it off already, right? No, you cut to me and wash it off. Sorry.
We are from here, man. That's our junction. It's for Manchester. Eh? What? Melrose. Oh. Oh. Over there. Melrose. So no, none of this. Oh. Oh, so you're roasted to order. You think you just have them roast? Nice sweet pepper. No, 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 no. Big up, my boss. Big up. I'm hungry.
Yeah?
the Manchester go on. Eastern surface of Melrose. You can see our nice part of people top a part of Jamaica. Food place anyway. When I got St. Elizabeth, you know, neglect them place. And all the trying and things that, you just stop and get your yam. And the lady I do. I don't remember. What's your name again, miss? I call you Teresa. So me just have to with me and he come like me I go eat, yeah. So I reach a Melrose at Teresa. At Teresa? Where? Teresa, yes. And Teresa beautiful to see her. And I like say Teresa ugly. Teresa pretty and nice. She no bleach out. Teresa. Yeah. Nothing wrong with look at tattoo still. I bleaching. I bleaching. Then it's a pain and nice thing. My woman say no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. You know that song? Wow. This one this no none nice up.
You finished?
Some coconut time.
I'm back there. Next side. Go on the nice side. Go turn right. Right? Yeah. Left. Left. Swirl me bin. 1500.
How much everything? Hmm? 2-7.
Yeah, man. Small one. One.
A Portland breadfruit.
No way, coconut, baby.
Right. Yeah.
Hello, good morning.
Clean, nice. When I am them all them pretty. Yam them pretty like Fisher.
This here.
When I am them.
Ready for you? What for you now? Now with the water, 1650.
How are the saltfish there?
Yeah, it's like cooking.
You can't put it on the top of it. Give me one of them box there. I'm not boss yet. But you ready though? With the water. Alright, big up. Bye bye. Thank you. Your food nice. Seafood. Put the melon up here. Put the melon over this side. Okay. First, you want to set up the stand? Oh, I have to hold it. Alright, maybe you see it already.
No, I'm not ready yet.
I can't eat that one.
I have a problem with that one. This is one of the stock. They know it's things that are going on. But that one I might.
This for me here in low. So me now go make me. Yeah?
What size is there?
10. Like this. So you got no me make myself. What you expect one tall man to have small? You not drop every minute you want. Although me know people, tall people have small foot and then just walk, then just a trip over every minute. Yeah, you just see them walk like penguin. And a trip over. As a quint then drop. The one way or so.
Yeah, but when you're driving, if you're driving slow, you're not going like fast.
Oh.
Fast, right? Fast. And this going very slow.
I go like me take a little piece and me take a little piece till it's done.
No problem.
I'm not wrong, babe. Just like how you drive, me feed it to down. I take care of the driver. Whatever the name again, I'm gonna find a word that the more is. One persuade you to carry me go my destination. See. So if I make the driver happy, it's not gonna be a happy drive. But you're not bad. Now, boat. We have a talk this minute. I understand. So I come Cause you know start paying my rent, you can live in America, so rent to live in America. Yeah, that me I tell you. So you have to start paying that. We have up on what? Football boat. Yeah, man, I never stop this and eat it. At first, now stop. Well, place named Melrose. Here first, now stop. Nice watch of car. Where the Clarendon now fascinating. I know the beauty of Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. So how was the drive from Ligrid? How was the drive from Ligrid? Yeah, yeah. Huh? Yeah? I hear you. I listen. Yeah, but I listen already. Yeah, I mean, I have to listen. Then why shouldn't I listen? At least me a stone or me a plastic or and then I forgot to come like you forgot to you have to go pay my rent to live in and then come like you half it. Maybe they are plastic that the reactive, don't it? Eh? Then me organic being some reactive. But probably not. But I go look still.